Welcome to Activity 15. In this activity, we'll be solving word problems using the 4 steps of understand, plan, do, check. The most important step is step 1, understand. In this step, we will draw a diagram. Questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all part whole diagrams. The diagram would tell us whether we need to use addition or subtraction. I'm going to model each question for you. Part whole questions are made up of 2 or more parts. These parts join together to make a whole. This whole is the one that starts with the letter W, and it means all of the cubes, or the total amount. To complete the part whole questions, you will need 5 cubes in one colour for one part and a matching colour pencil, 5 cubes in another colour for the other part and matching colour pencil, and a lead pencil for the whole. Question 1. On his worksheet, Lee got 1 question wrong and 4 questions correct. How many questions were on Lee's worksheet? On his worksheet, Lee got 1 question wrong. The 1 question wrong is 1 part. The parts live in this row on the diagram. I'll keep reading. And 4 questions correct. The 4 questions correct is the other part. I'll put this here. This is what we know. I'll keep reading. How many questions were on Lee's worksheet? Now, this question mark tells me the unknown, the number I don't know from the writing. And this is how many questions were on the worksheet. That is the whole number, the total number of right and wrong questions. That is the unknown. When I come to step 2, the plan, I know this part and I know this part. So if I add them together, I'll find the whole. That's the plan I want. The part of 1, add the part of 4 will tell me the whole that the question didn't have, the unknown. And I know that 1 add 4 is 5. When I come to my check, I'm going to use the cubes, but I'm going to arrange them so as I can see how many without counting. A part of 1 and a part of 4 give me a whole of 5. So I have checked my maths. The last thing I need to check is that I've actually answered the question. So I'll reread the question. How many questions were on Lee's worksheet? And I'll write it next to the question. There were 5 questions on Lee's worksheet. That makes sense because the 5 is the whole and it's the largest number.